Hello. We are having a Lenovo laptop today. Yeah, it's an IdeaPad 3. This Lenovo is not taking any power and it's not coming on. So we are going to look at what is going on with the laptop. Yeah, I had checked the laptop earlier. It's taking, I think, 2 milliamps or 1 milliamp. And when the client came here, I had checked it. But again, I later got busy, so I didn't manage to repair that. So that's what I want us to check together. And am I forgetting the tip I used? Yeah, let me just go directly to opening the back cover so that we can go directly to under the microscope so that we can see the amperage. And if you check this laptop, other than the width or the thickness on the inches, this laptop resembles the ThinkBook 14 G4. Yeah, that is a laptop that was released on September 2019, 5th September 2019. It's a very good laptop from the Lenovo company. Yeah, ThinkBook 14 G4. So please go and Google that model of a laptop and you'll be amazed by that laptop. So yeah, the model name is ThinkBook 14 and the series is ThinkBook. So the cover is out, guys. So let's go under the microscope. Yeah, that laptop is a bit smart. It's very smart actually, and has a dimension of 230 millimeters by 326 millimeters by 17.9. Yeah, I met that laptop. That laptop was brought here by a client. Yeah, she came from, I think, from which country? She told me she's from US, Virginia, I think Virginia. And the laptop was not working, so look at the power supply there. It's taking 1 amp, 1 milliamp. It's not 1 amp, 1 milliamp. And I don't know what could be the issue. I can see the charging port here. So let's try to take voltages. I see the MOSFETs here. Hmm. Yeah, so as I try to position, yeah, I was talking about the Lenovo ThinkBook 14 G4. Yeah, that laptop was amazing. It was very amazing. Yeah, we are having our 19 volts on the charging port. Yeah, from the charging port, we have the first and the second MOSFET. Yeah, I liked that laptop. ThinkBook 14 G4. It's a very nice laptop. I wish I had more time with the laptop, guys. I could have done a review because I think that is the best laptop I've seen so far by Lenovo. Yeah, we check the multimeter. We are having our 19 volts on these areas here. On this MOSFET too, we are having our 19 volts. Yeah, let's go to the other side of the MOSFET and see whether you're going to have the 19 volts with us. And we are having 19 volts, so we're having 0. We're having 0. Oh, we must be having a short circuit somewhere. Why is that MOSFET not taking power to the other side? What about this one? So definitely, if we don't have power coming from the first MOSFET, we won't have power coming to the second. What about the current resistor here? Nothing. Nothing. So guys, we first of all check this MOSFET and see whether we'll be able to ascertain where the problem could be. And so I'll have to take out the MOSFET. Yeah, so as I was saying before, the Lenovo ThinkPad 14G4, I sorry, yeah, it was using a 12th gen Intel core processor. I don't understand why we are. And I remember it having an improved core design that optimized to handle different workloads, so it's a bit fast. It has an SSD, has an energy saving RAM, that is DDR5, LDDR5 memory. It's quite an efficient RAM, guys. It's a bit late, is a later technology. Here we are used to, right now we are used to DDR4, but the DDR5 are yet to come into the market. They are sliding in slowly. So guys, I think I may have to assume this MOSFET. I have to leave to take out this MOSFET. Yeah, also the laptop has got a 47 WH battery with another one with 62 WH battery and a graphics option where the graphic options include the Iris, the Intel Iris X and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX, that is 2050. That's a very good laptop. It's very slim, it's really light, and it's a quite a performing laptop. It's very nice. Yeah, the MOSFET is out. Yeah, also check the ports, and the laptop was having quite a good number of ports. The USB-C, the 3.2 generation 2, Thunderbolt 4, the HDMI, the USB 3, second generation, always on. Yeah, the USB 3.2 is always on. So remember, guys, you can charge your phone whether the laptop is on or off using that port. Let's do some cleanup here. Yeah, headphone mic or combo jack, that is 3.5 millimeters, Novo button hole, an SD card reader, USB 3.2 generation 1, Ethernet RJ45, 9 nano security slot. Yeah, I remember all those details with that laptop because I really liked that laptop and it was a very good laptop. Yeah, that laptop can perform even with the guys who do the designs, the house designs, you know, the architecture, because you guys, I think you are in need of laptops that are rendering, that are having some graphics card. And so guys, try to go online and check about that laptop, Lenovo ThinkBook 14 G4. Yeah, so back to the motherboard here. I'll come with some wire here and have some voltage injected under the current resistor, on the current resistor, and try to see whether the laptop is going to work on. This is try to ascertain whether there's a short on the machine. So let me solder some solder there, and let me come with a voltage injecting wire here. Yeah, Lenovo are improving very well nowadays. This company is doing very good, trying to come up with better models of machine than they used to have before. So check my power supply, guys. We're having there a voltage there. It's drawing some amperage there. Look, guys, yeah, our laptop is coming on, so something is wrong with that MOSFET, and we are not having a short as I thought. Guys, I think the laptop is okay. Let me try to show you when I'm trying to power with the wire. So I'm trying to power it with wire that is tied on the current resistor, and you can see the laptop is coming on. So I think the MOSFET has something is not very well with the MOSFET, but I'm just going to replace the MOSFET and I think the laptop will be okay. Yeah, as you can see, the laptop is coming on. You see I'm holding this wire here, the red wire, this one, and also the ground. If I release the ground, you'll see the machine go off. You see, if I touch again and try to go on again, yeah, the machine will come on. And so guys, let me try to replace that MOSFET so that we can fix the problem. So yeah, that the Lenovo 14 ThinkBook 14, I think is a very good laptop. So far is the best laptop from the Lenovo I've come across. I was impressed by that laptop. So let's put another MOSFET there. Solder a new MOSFET because I'm trying to think the MOSFET I've just removed is not taking power to the other side. Maybe the gate is low. Remember, the gate has to be higher for power to flow from one side of the MOSFET to the other. Yeah, how many terminals are we having from a MOSFET? There are three. We have the gate, source, and drain. Try to remember that. Yeah, very soon I'll try to come with some schematic diagrams from the data sheet so that we can get to learn the laptop components one by one, be it the capacitor, the resistor, the diode, the electrifier bridge, the MOSFETs. Under the capacitor, we can also go ahead to check the electrolytic, the ceramic, all those things. I think we'll be doing them very soon. I'll be making videos about that so that I can educate ourselves. We can educate ourselves about laptops, motherboards, component. Oh, the current resistor is out. You can see the current resistor is out, and I'll need to take it back. See this part here, that's where the current resistor was sitting. Now I've plucked it off by mistake, so let me try to correct that mistake there. I think without that current resistor we cannot have a working laptop. Can I use a gun to take it back, or should I come with some hot air? I think we can do some hot air so that this can settle well, can settle comfortably. Yeah, guys, I don't know what you think down in the comment section. Try to talk about the best Lenovo laptop you know. Yeah, let me know which one you think is the best down in the comment section. But for me, the one I've met the best one right now, it is Lenovo ThinkPad. The Lenovo ThinkBook 14 G4. That is a very good laptop. The few minutes I interacted with the laptop, or the few hours I interacted with the laptop, I think I liked it. And also is a later model, although it was released in on 2019, 5th September 2019. Here, I think it will be a very later model of a laptop that is very nice, very good looking, very presentable. So let me also add some solder here so that we may not have a loose charging connecting jack. Okay. So let me try to put some to regulate my DC 20. And guys, check on my power supply. I'm still getting the okay. I think I'll first have to detach this wire here. Let me try to detach this wire. What is wrong with this MOSFET? Still not. You see, the power is not flowing. Okay, so it's flowing when the current, when I'm using the voltage injecting wire. So the current is flowing to these MOSFETs here. But when I use the charger, that is not happening. So let me try to remove the current, the voltage injecting wire, and use a charger and see whether the case will still be the same. Sorry. Yep. So let me flip this board. Okay, the laptop is coming on. Check the power supply there. But I want you to remember that we are still having the wire injected, the voltage injecting wire connected to the motherboard. And so now we should test using a charger so that you can see. And I think I'm getting 1 milliamp. 1 milliamp. Let me try to take some voltages again. Yeah, we have the 19 volts there. We have the 19 volts here. Yeah, we have the 19 volts. Why is it taking 1 milliamp? 1 milliamp. Yeah, the 19 volts. Okay, the other side. Oh, it's taking nothing. And this is a new MOSFET. I've replaced the MOSFET and it's still behaving the same. So let me also try to do some magic here. I'll take out this MOSFET and I'll jump it and see whether we'll have a picture. We'll have a display on the screen, because now if I take back the MOSFET, the power is being cut, or the MOSFET is closing. You know what is a closed MOSFET and an open MOSFET? An open MOSFET is the one that is passing current from one side to the other, and a closed MOSFET is the one that is not doing that, the latter. So this one is a closed one because it's not letting power flow from one side of the MOSFET to the other. And so let's get rid of it. And we can, I'm thinking of jumping the MOSFET. And there's no problem with that, since we still have the other second MOSFET. So that one will also act as a protector. It will protect the circuit. So as long as we are not jumping all the MOSFETs, we can have one, and then the other one will do the protection work. So let me try to do that. Let me try to solder blob on the bigger section of the MOSFET area. Is very big, but it's okay. It's quite a big solder blob. So some more flux there. So am I going to get yeah, I'll jump that MOSFET, because now I will not have a voltage when I put another MOSFET on there. So I'll have to get rid of the MOSFET and I jump it just to make sure the current is flowing on the other side. And that is what will matter. Okay, I think the two will never meet, because I want just to have a jump, both parts connected for complete circuit. But it seems I'll have to use some wire, because the solder is not responding. Okay, so let me cut the wire so that we may not have a short circuit. So fold this a bit. Yeah, so we are just trying to jump the power from one side of the MOSFET to the other. You see, when you are having the MOSFET, the power was not going to the other side, but if you check right now, you get that the 19 volt is flowing on the other side of the MOSFET, and also going to other important areas of the motherboard. So I think this is okay. Bit of cleanup. Okay, try to take off this part here so that I cannot have a short circuit. That one may break and fall onto very important components of the motherboard, and when you're powering on the laptop, all of a sudden there's a short circuit, which is not okay. Yep, I think now you're having a voltage on both sides. A voltage on the current resistor. Yeah, a voltage. So I think now we are good to go. So guys, you can subscribe, you can like and share our videos. So let's test and see. And as I can already tell, the laptop will come on because we had tried with voltage injecting wires and the laptop was coming on. Yeah, laptop is okay. So that's all for today, guys. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. Thank you guys for supporting our work. That's all for today.